Sun's going down again. I've got a while to go before I can get to my bed. I don't know where I'm going. They're clearing the fields here, burning the crops. And fire just jumped across the roadway up there. So that's going to be trouble for somebody. But not me. At least I hope not. It's really hot. It's like fire hot.